you like. You're racist! That's a coincidence.
Becky, I think I'm having an identity crisis. I've
Hey
spent my
guys,
whole life being the voice of the oppressed, but now I've become the oppressor.
JC, you don't have to feel bad about being part of the majority population.
Today, I crossed the street when I saw some white bankers coming my way. They don't all steal money, just most of them.
My God, JC, you're having brown guilt.
I know. I tried to assuage it by
Hey guys, it's been a while since I did a video, so I thought I'd do a mukbang for you guys, and so yeah, I don't know, but I've been sick all weekend, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and try and kill myself again by eating crab leg, by eating crab meat, which as you can see, it's in there. But yeah, let's give this a try. Like, I love seafood, but I don't know if this is a good idea to eat this, especially after recovering from being sick. So let's see. This is barely squeezing out, so I'm just going to pull these to the side. So here we go. If you guys hear something in the background, I'm watching Border Town off Netflix. It's pretty good. I've heard that it seems boring, but it's actually pretty good. If you're wondering what I have for a drink, I have Dr. Pepper with ice. Lardale sauce isn't that good. It's like very strong and tangy, but like a little too much. Like, it's not fresh.
many white guys gather in a crappy place, it's to kill others or themselves.
This reservation ain't crappy. It's got everything a white guy could want. Look around. There's the reservation's basketball court. The hoops are 5 feet 8 inches high, and there's no jumping allowed.
Damn it!
This is where we put water into plastic bottles. Otherwise, our people will die of thirst. We believe that drinking free water steals your soul.
Kiernan, no!
And here's a lab where scientists work on new words to make whites excited about riding a stationary bike.
I've got it. Pedal burn.
Here's our tribal casino where we can fleece the majority populations.
Cool, gambling.
Criminal Ernesto, we can't afford to have you win. We haven't fleeced anyone yet. Hey, get back here! Celine Dion is in there!
Hey, keep it down back there. And this is a family in its domestic habitat.
JC, what the hell do you think you're doing?
Leading a tour, these people came to see the last remains of indigenous white culture.
Hey, knock it off! And tell your teenagers to stop wearing confusingly sexy pigtails!
Look at this, Dad. We've become an historical exhibit.
She's right, Bud. I want to go home. I knew I was going to hear Jimmy Buffett, but nothing prepared me for this much Jimmy Buffett.
And I miss running water, my little Indian friend across the street.
Dad, you think this is protecting America, but America is what we left behind in Mexifornia. And that's where I want to live, even if we are the minority.
You guys want to go? Fine! Leave me behind! Just like my battalion mates during Desert Storm after I deserted, briefly joined the Iraqi army, then asked if I could come back!
Good afternoon. I'm...
Hey, the border station's on the news! I wonder what's going on. I ain't been at work for a month.
The last month has seen a steep decline in illegal border crossings due to the extended absence of one incompetent agent.
Wonder who that idiot is. I can't wait to rip him a new one when I get back from my extended absence.
This decline in crossings, combined with a gross Caucasian woman having octuplets, has shifted the population back to a white majority.
What? Yes! We did it! My God, we did it!